Okay, so let's click on Start menu, then click on Network and Internet. Then you should click on Advanced Network Settings, then click on More Network Adapter Settings. Right click, Properties, and select Configure and Power Management tab, and uncheck this option. Click OK and close all windows. Once closed all windows, go to search bar and type there Task Manager and select it. Then run new task and click on Browse button. Open C drive and locate Windows folder. Then we need to search for CMDX. Let's locate it. Scroll down. So here it is. Select it and click on Open. So click on Create this task with administrative privileges. Yes, and click on OK. New window open. Here we need to type some command properties, what you will see in the screen. Once done, hit on Enter, and after that execute another command what you see on the screen. Okay, so once you execute the second command, hit Enter and type exit. Hit Enter. Okay, so now you need to click on Start menu, Settings, scroll down and hit on Troubleshoot. Then you need to click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Network Adapter and click on Run. So it should help to find locate problem if it exists. The last what you should do is close all these windows and my computer, locate Device Manager. Okay, so you can from here, yeah, Device Manager, find your network settings adapters, expand it, network adapters, expand. Here is your adapter and right click, update driver, search for drivers and complete this update. Once you complete all steps, your problem should go.